Good morning, traders. Welcome to another Bitcoin morning update. We've just had a trade right now. I just had to quickly open up OBS. We have had a nice liquidity grab above these C's here into our previous day value area high. I'm just quickly looking at this right now because these highs are quite important highs for the moment. This is like a little range we've got forming in the lower part of this. I've just, yeah, sorry, I'll do the whole background thing in a minute, but I'm just watching this right now. I am looking for price maybe to come up here if we do not get this swing failure back down. We also have this little head and shoulders thing going on. So, yeah, sorry. I came on here, opened up OBS, and we immediately have a trade. So that's a really interesting thing to look at. And this is something that you would take with a grab of a liquidity area, and you'd look to take it back into the point of control of the day. So we have our point of control coming in here at $50,000. So if we have hit this high, to come back below this level, we're now looking for $50,000 and then possibly a move higher. So this would be a very quick scalp short from here down to 50k, and then we're looking for higher right now. So yeah, let's just see if this plays out. But anyway, welcome to my Bitcoin morning update. So Bitcoin still in this range. This is kind of the range between this daily level and our weekly level of support here. So we have this tight range here, and what we did yesterday when we had that other really kind of nice people rehashing old stories and creating FUD in the market just to create panic. What did we do? We came down and just came into our 786 and our previous monthly low here, which I think is the reference right now. The fact that there was so much volume on the low here the other day, I think that the target for this move, for those who were in it, was this previous month low, which you can see just here how perfectly we came down through it, grabbed all of the orders below there, because this was a big capitulation move, and then we come back to test the reference. So that is now the reference. So that is the major support. Break that and we're going much lower. And yeah, just a really kind of interesting couple of days trading here. Some nice, quite simple trades to have been taking. So we had that rejection off of our daily level. We had the support off of the previous month low, and then after we reclaim this, then we've had the support here off of this weekly. So this has been really quite nice. All this stuff that's in between, again, is all been very tradable as well. We had another nice trade yesterday, and this was when I was going over a call with one of the members. Is we had a little grab of liquidity. This was just a very small scalp, and we were looking to take this back into the point of control, which this time was up here at 50,300. But we took liquidity off of these C candles. So you can see that we've got the space here, and we can get that, take the low of this C and take it back into your point of control. So that was a nice little trade that we had here. So this would have just been a trade coming in here and taking it back up into your point of control over there. So, oh no, sorry, I got that one wrong. That was this one here. That one looked like it. It was this one here. We took these lows and we had the bounce into the daily point of control, and then that's when it started to fall. Surprise, surprise. Also, we had a nice little head and shoulders thing forming there. This was your daily point of control. This was the low, long into a short, into a long. Yeah. This one's not been very useful so far. I realize I'm just talking about my mind is just saying levels and things. But it's because I'm kind of trading this as we're going along, because I've just woken up and seen that there's a trade, and now I am going over those and stuff. Cool. Anyway, longer term picture for the rest of the day. I do think we see a move up here into the 51,500 area. I think that is a key area still. What would again be quite nice is we do have this like small inverse head and shoulders going on here. If we come up to here, then it will almost like make this neckline a bit better, and we can maybe have another move down before pushing up into this daily at 53,264. So that is an area I'm looking at. Let me just check if that's the right daily now. Yes, so this is I had my daily level still on these candles yesterday. But yeah, I think this is the more important one, this 53,264 area. And we do have just that red zone of resistance up there where we have our golden pocket as well from this move down. And also there's that wick in this area, and there's these ones, and there's these ones. So yeah, you've got a lot of potential stopping points for any move that may occur. Overall though, looking for a range, probably a move up into here, then a retracement, then we might see a move up into this area, at which point what we will probably end up seeing is a rising wedge into an area of resistance, which could then lead us back down to test support again. So that's my immediate plan. I think it all looks quite straightforward at the moment. As long as we can get through this resistance, I think it's very likely we come up here, and then that wedge pattern will be forming, and we can look for shorts again off of this area here. Overall though, bullish for a move up before a move down. I just want to go over another couple of things. So do I have... Yes. So I am looking at this fractal idea. This is what I drew on the stream again the other day when we were watching this big move down happen. So this would support a move up into the 53k area before we look down towards 42k area. So this supports that with a typical ABCD pattern, looking for lows at 42k coming in around next week sometime. And yeah, it's basically just this fractal here, but it does support this idea of up then down and then back up to the top of the channel. At this point here, I think that's when you get into like I'm swing long now, but yeah, I will be taking big profit at 53 if we get that. And this is the point where really everyone's calling bear market, and yeah, you'd look to kind of go a little bit more aggressive into long positions down here, because this would be like absolutely perfect for me just to take these lows, just have these lows come into this area. The thing with this is if we do get this move down, this is likely going to be like a really aggressive move again. So you can be buying this area, but be aware that because of liquidations, this could come much lower, maybe even all the way down to 38 before like really bouncing hard and yeah, getting that then we have that V-shaped recovery after a final capitulation for this correction, and then that's when we go right, all-time highs, off we go. So yeah, we may reverse here and go back up, but at the moment I think my preferred scenario is for a bounce up to 53, then we come down, take the lows, get everyone bearish and everyone that's in this range out, or everyone that doesn't know what's going on. So form this, oh no, end of the bull market, woo, it's all gonna die, Bitcoin's dead, and then we blast off to all-time highs after that. So that is what I think of that. Ethereum, Still just working away at this this weekly, monthly, sorry, area. I'd be very surprised really if Ethereum can continue going. It does seem to be creating that, like, there's some like weird meme thing that has a pattern like this, and then it just often will just do something like that, and that's the kind of thing I'm looking for on Ethereum. The US dollar chart is whatever, doing much the same thing as Bitcoin is. I wouldn't be surprised to see it take these highs. So I think Ethereum could probably come back up here, take these highs, and then get the rejection down, which could also be probably our golden pocket area as well. Yep, there we go. So I do think we probably see a move up there. I got into a long on Ethereum yesterday as well. So I'm long Bitcoin, long Ethereum now. I've closed my Ethereum shorts after that like silliness from yesterday that just shook everyone out again for no reason into support. Lovely stuff. Litecoin, more bullish on Litecoin. I think Litecoin is looking good for a continued move higher. So just macro on Litecoin. We have broken out of a 3-year consolidation period. And I do think we, come up a little bit higher, just at least to test the top of this trend line here. So I think we could probably, we may just hang out around this area. There's enough kind of resistance coming in from above to do this, but I think maybe on Litecoin, we're looking at, this is kind of a channel that we've got going on here, but on the Bitcoin pair at least, I think we do make one push higher before then a correction. Link, again, Link looks really good. It's a similar kind of thing. We've come out of this like 6-month corrective phase. We are, if you want to call it a bull flag, we got a bull flag, and I think we probably come up into our 0.5 up here, the 100,000 sats area. So I think that's quite likely. Anything else moving on the market? I'm being really quick with this because my new computer is due between 9:30 and 10:30, and I want to get this video at least onto YouTube before it arrives. So I got to finish in like 3 minutes. Cardano. What did we say? So anyone who watched the stream, what did I say about Cardano? I put this magnet here, and where has it gone? Straight into the magnet. Let me just show this. What am I saying? So here's the video where I placed the magic magnet, and where did it go? So really nice stuff. And if you want to rewatch that stream, then do so. It was a really good fun stream. We watched the entire capitulation the other day. We charted all the alts, and everything's just been so nice since then. So look, here's my magnet. I won't play it now because that's well, I could do, but no, go watch it for yourself. EOS again as well. So I did the same thing with EOS. We had this monthly and weekly area up here that we were looking to get hit, and that's where we took the shorts. I always press this eject button on my Mac, which is really annoying. At least I won't have that problem later on today when I get the new computer. What is moving? I'm talking really fast this morning because I want to get this wrapped up. BZRX back here again. So yeah, everyone will know we've been bullish on BZRX for a long time. We've been buying it since like down here, and now the market's kind of starting to wake up to it a little bit delayed because this formation's been going on for a long time. But yeah, it does seem to be that this is kind of getting ready now. I'm seeing more and more people looking at BZRX. So I think that does support a move higher, and I would be looking at least to take this up to the weekly, and probably higher up to here as well. But ultimately on this, still very bullish for like a big move up. Aave another one that's still looking really good. But yeah, I won't go over alts now. I'm going to finish this off here and say, yeah, have we had that move down? So we had that little rejection there. We'd be looking at the point of control. Whoops. Yeah, we did. We came back into the point of control. So that was that trade completed. So that's nice. So we came up into the point of control, and now we'd be looking for a move up here. Cool. All right. Thanks, everyone. I will be around in the chat as always. And yeah, if I can get my computers all set up and everything today, then we'll do the usual stream this evening. So I will see you all then. Hopefully, have a great day and happy trading. And yeah, let's hit these levels. All right, cheers, guys. See you later. Bye.